Well, good morning. Here's a little Redneck's Dirty Hand short video there. We had a bit of a storm come in, and my beautiful swing chair here that I love took a bit of a kicking and blew out the bottom seat, and I was a little bit heartbroken. I love this swing chair there. I like to sit there and think about what stupid things I'm going to build next, and now I got to replace it. And then I was thinking, growing up, reminiscing about my buddy there, Red Green. His motto was, if the women don't find you handsome, hopefully they find you handy. And then got me thinking. Went to the old Sunshine store there, Wally Mart, and picked up a couple of rolls of the old Gorilla Tape. And we just stitched her back together, Instead of having to go back to Crappy Tire and buying another swing chair, we just stitched her up with the Gorilla Tape. If Red Green had this stuff, he'd be dangerous. Probably Canada probably have a space program going right now with that. So now, for $20, oh, she's perfect. Nice little wicker pattern I got in there. See that? Oh yeah. Never learned how to sew growing up, but Red Green taught me to be handy anyway. Alright, well, bit of an update. I totally forgot that I made that video about Gorilla Tape and the swing chair there. This is a year later, and that Gorilla Tape is still holding up there strong. Added a new upgrade to the swing chair too. I stuffed my broom up on the roof there. The panel would droop and hit this bar, and then the water would drip right on top of you. So you stick the broom in there, holds the fabric up, the problem solved. But I gotta say, Red Green would have been dangerous with this Gorilla Tape, because 1 year later, this has been through winter, snow, rain, ice, you name it, hot, cold. She's drooped a little bit. I mean, as we all do as we get older through age and time, you get a little saggy, but she's still solid. I mean, we sit on this every day. It's kind of come a little bit apart at the seams there. I might have to put a fresh, sticker back on, but that wicker pattern still holding in. This redneck chair is pretty sweet. Why buy a new one when you can keep fixing the old one? Take her easy.